AI is a very hot topic and everyone seems to be using it in their business, but how do you actually implement that? Well, today I'm going to share with you how I'm using Manus AI specifically inside of my e-commerce stuff. I used to do a lot of Shopify dropshipping. Now I have a supplement brand that does usually about $1 million a month. And I'm going to share with you how I use this tool to essentially improve the efficiency of our workflow, improve our operations, look at data reports like here on Meta. Just in the last month, we spent almost $200,000. And I use it to not only keep my finger on the pulse in the business, track analytics, look at ad performance, create a lot of ads, but it's also replaced some people, not that we had on the team, but that we were gonna need to hire. And if you're trying to grow your business, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I got a lot more cool videos coming for you. And if you wanna use Manus, I'll put a link down below where you get a bunch of free credits when you start because it's a pay to play type thing, but those credits will last you a while. So let's first start with what is Manus, okay? This actually looks pretty similar to the dashboard that you might have seen on ChatGPT. Well, it's pretty similar from a layout perspective, but the functionality is different. ChatGPT is a chatbot. It goes back and forth. It doesn't really complete tasks. This can actually complete tasks end to end. It takes a lot longer to respond because it's actually thinking. It's actually doing research. So while it's slower from that perspective, you're typically going to get the answer you want and you can train it. ChatGPT will be lazy essentially and continue to make the same mistakes. Whereas Manus, you can tell it, hey, I always want this report done this way, and it will remember that and it will only do it that way. ChatGPT was a constant nightmare for us. So I want to jump over here into the Meta ad library and I'm going to show you something, okay? Let's take this ad example from a supplement brand, AG1. Okay, so they have a person inside of here. I started using AG1 every single day because I wanted to feel my absolute best. One of the big things that we actually use AI for is creating image ads. People can do GIFs with it. Some people do make videos, but we primarily use it for images. And so if I upload inside of here that ad example and a raw file to just a random supplement product and say, hey, make something like this, but for ours, like this is for a competitor, make us something like this, but for our daily multivitamin or whatever the product might be. And I'm going to give it to it. And it's going to take a little while to respond, but it will produce an example. And from there, we can tweak it and tell it what to do differently and continue to make more variations of ads that are working from our competitors. So I'm going to start building a use case list for you of things that I personally use Manus for. We use a couple different AI tools, but this one has replaced ChatGPT for us entirely because it is more accurate. Number one is going to be static image ads. Like I showed you, this last month we spent about $180K on ads. This ranges anywhere from about $120,000 up to $550,000 per month during our busy times of the year. That is only on Meta. We also spend money on TikTok ads, on Google ads, and we spend a lot of money through Amazon on their ad platforms. Okay. Now, static image ads is roughly these days 40 to 50% of the spend inside of the account. So on any given month, we're spending $50,000 to $200,000 on images that platforms like Manus are now making us. How is it making it for us? Just like what I showed you, okay? I'm gonna give it competitor ads. And then once we have our own ads that start working, I can give it our ads and say, here's one that worked for us. Do more like this. Like, hey, the running angle, showing people who like hiking, they take our daily multivitamin. You know, the gym people didn't really work, but hikers is a good niche. Let's go after that. And so it'll take a little while here. It's already 1:20 into thinking, and it'll really do a lot of digging. So static image ads is a really, really big one for me. Now, I'm also using it for product research and specifically validation and pulling examples. Now, we can actually run multiple chats at the same time inside of Manus, which is cool. And so building off the multivitamin thing, I'm going to ask it. I have a multivitamin company and we want to launch a gut health line for kids. Can you show me if there's any gut health gummies for kids already on the market? Okay, links to them, info on how well they're doing, maybe anything else that we could consider in that process. So I'm going to just open-ended prompt it and have it do research for me. And I'll still be scrolling around on Amazon and trying to find people doing stuff that's similar. But this is a great way to just get early information on who's in the market, what are their price points. I currently build a lot of our research off of Manus. It goes and does it for me. It just saves me a lot of time. Now, while it's doing all the research, I do just want to hit on what I mentioned where it's a pay-as-you-go system, right? They have subscription type things, but you're getting access to a certain amount of credits, unlike ChatGPT where they might throttle you at certain times. But this is a pay-as-you-go model because they want to give you real answers. And I like that. It can get expensive if you do a bunch of crazy back and forth. But to be honest, I use this every single day and it doesn't really cost much at all. I think we're actually paying more for ChatGPT. But so every back and forth, every file you have it analyzed, technically that's utilizing credits, okay? So it made this ad. For starters, this is a vertical ad. This would be good for like story ads on Instagram, which is about 20 to 30% of our ads. We typically keep it to just the squares because you can still run that on stories. It's just how we spend on Meta. Started using Diva every single day because I wanted to feel my absolute best. Sarah, who's a yoga instructor and wellness coach. Cool. I like the text, I like the font, I like everything about it. There's a couple small errors. This right here, the apostrophe or whatever, where it should capture this in quotes, is a little messed up. That is not a detail that I would really worry about personally with ads. I would probably move this bottle over to the right so it's kind of centered in between her leg and in between here. And then I do not like what this shows here. This is ugly. Offer valid for new subscribers only. Maybe you can give it information on the offer and say, okay, cool, we just need to work on this. So remove the green circle entirely. It doesn't really fit the aesthetic, to be honest. That's crazy. I just ran out of credits live. This has never happened. So an extra $9, this will bring us to 12,000 credits a month. So now it's going to be $60 a month for 12,000. That is so much. For starters, I was paying $220 a month to ChatGPT. Whatever. And I still do use chat because I have a lot of previous files and stuff in there. So, we still do use those a little bit. So I'm going to send this instruction over, and while it's going back to work, let's jump into the third benefit. This is going to be your meta ads. And then I'll just finish out the fourth is going to be reporting and anything to do with data. Okay. So with the meta ads specifically, a lot of people don't know that Meta actually bought Manus not too long ago. And so you can directly and safely integrate Manus into your Meta ad account. I've seen multiple people get their ad account shut down from connecting different AIs into it in different ways. So you want to be very careful and secure with that. I'm probably going to do a video about OpenClaw and how we can connect things from a safety perspective, because OpenClaw is a crazy, crazy platform that we're working on. It's what this computer is. But with Meta ads, you can actually connect it inside of there, and it can do a lot of stuff. Okay, it can actually launch ads for you, analyze results, make recommendations in every category, what to turn off, what to raise budgets on, what to lower budgets on, all sorts of stuff. So you can connect it directly through Meta. It will have a pop-up and remind you to connect it, which is really cool. So eventually, this is where this is headed, by the way. This is going to replace any sort of media buyer you have on your team. I'll give you an example. Current payroll in my company, we spend at least $150,000 per year on media buyers, which are people that are inside of our ad account helping launch ads, look at results, turn stuff off, raise budgets, etc. That role is going away. It is. Now, we typically haven't really needed aggressive media buyers on Meta. I really just need what I call an ad launcher, okay? So this is not a strategist. This is a laborist. This is someone who just does labor. The biggest time investment for me when I'm in here running my Meta ads every day is not knowing what to do or raising budgets, turning stuff off. It's simply launching new ad creatives. Uploading 20 new videos in here, uploading 20 images, cropping them correctly, just bringing it to the point where it's ready to launch. So myself and many other people have hired and trained ad launchers. They're not skilled media buyers. We just show them, like any monkey could learn how to do this, and you just upload the ad creatives in and set it up the way we want. I publish them. They save it as a draft. So AI is going to be able to do all that for you. It already can. I actively have people in my coaching group that are launching ads with AI. It goes into a Google Drive folder with stuff that's approved, and it downloads it, uploads it, and launches it and sets it up correctly in certain campaigns. It's epic. So that's really, really cool. I will also just mention we have a free trial. We've never done this before, but a free trial to my beginner ecom group. Okay, you get instant access to 6 mini courses. You can ask me any questions on AI, on meta ads, on product research, on supplements, anything like that. It's our e-commerce community. You can talk to different people, a bunch of content, SOPs, some industry resources. That's the light thing. That's for people who are ready to go deep with us. I like a more direct one-on-one coaching where we work with you for at least 6 months. But check out that school group down below. Again, you can access that for completely free today. That's something that we're going to do a limited run just to allow some people to come in and ask questions and get a little bit of help. Now let's take a look at the change that it made. So it kept everything the same up top. It did correctly center this over here to the right, which is great. It got rid of the ugly green thing. Perfect. This is an ad. This is now an ad. And now I can have it crop it to different sizes if I wanted to. I can do whatever. I actually like how it made a slight glow around this. A lot of times that was an issue with ChatGPT, is making our product stand out. It wouldn't have a lot of contrast in the background. This is just well executed. Simple ad, but it built off the example of one that we found, right? And it took it in a different direction. It didn't even copy the exact same layout. So that's super awesome. I like how it sets things up. Now, let's go here. So it made an entire actual report. The kids' gut health supplement market is experiencing growth. Cool. The kids' market for probiotics is projected to grow from 1.85 billion, where it's currently at, to 3.1 billion. Okay. Now, this is just going to give you a lot of insight on who's inside of the market. Obviously, you got Ollie and some really big brands, Mary Ruth's. Those are the big boys. So It's already there in the market. So now we get to go look at their price point and we get to look at what their products are and find ways to be different, because you're not going to want to go head to head with some of these exact people. So now you can go back and forth with this chat that you already opened up on. Okay, thanks for that. I like this one that this company's doing, and this other one, how can we make it different? How can we still achieve a $25 to $40 price point? Because a lot of these kids' gummies, I know from my own research, are selling for $15. It's probably not feasible for us doing D2C, trying to sell it online and run ads. That's a difficult price point. So that product research side of this is super helpful, and it can literally pull links for you, find the biggest sellers on Amazon, anything that you would have been trying to find on your own, just ask the bot. And now the fourth one I'm gonna give you is reporting, okay? I can download CSV file exports from Shopify, from Amazon, from Meta. If it's not connected, I can just go inside of here, and I can literally go here, I can export as a CSV, and it'll download all the 30 days of data. And so now it can create these reports for you. Okay, what's my average cost per purchase across all platforms? What's our revenue? What's our overall performance as a company? And it can create projections. It can suggest improvements. It can compare that to industry averages. So it can make these very professional reports instantly that kind of gets rid of the need at a somewhat low level for any kind of a CFO. Like, I'm in my company, just being honest, I will not need to hire a CFO as soon as I would have had to. And that's like a $200,000 a year role, at least. And so to hire real C-suite talent, yeah, like you still need someone to help run the AI and be involved, but you can significantly condense your team. Like, you can build, and I will, a $100 million a year company with 5 to 8 people, like actual core team players. You've got other people around that. There might be editors, which AI can kind of handle a lot of that. There's going to be, support team, which AI can handle that, but we like to have real support. Like, we pride ourselves on our support team, because nothing more frustrating than dealing with an automated bot, but AI is getting really good. So soon that will be replaced. Any agencies that write emails and do SMS for you, those are going to be gone. Those are going to be gone in the next 6 months. Good luck. Anyone who does media buying, that's going to be a tough one to stay in business. Anyone who does image ad creation, any sort of graphic designer, I think the really skilled guys are going to have something for like labels and the compliance side of it. They're still going to be okay, but like base level, like image ad generation, gone. There's a lot of roles here that will be gone. And so it will trim up the amount of money you need to spend on your operational expenses, your fixed expenses. Some of those are variable with how many assets are being created. But this is what people don't understand. If I'm able to reduce my overhead, right now we spend about $60K a month on average, just on like salary and employee and performance type thing. Let's just say at my level that right now that drops to 35K or even 40K a month, because that's an extra $240,000 a year in profit to my business, which doesn't mean I need to stay there and try to collect that. It means I can now spend more money on ads and I can outspend my competitors, meaning I get more market share and more customers, and I'll win long term because of that. So I can give up that profit instead of going to team members that are somewhat unnecessary now. I can take that to actually grow the business. And the first couple of people to do that in your industry will typically win, because they're the ones doing it first. So that's why this is important to get on right now. Again, with Manus, I will leave a link down below for you guys to access that and get your first 500 credits for free. So you can go back and forth with it a ton. That's totally free. If you want to ask us any questions in the school group, completely free trial. I want this to be like a no pressure type. Test it out. Like, I don't care if you cancel. But this is actively what I'm doing. And like inside of my brand here, like we're building this supplement brand. So you got subscriptions, 63% returning customer rate. Let's back this up. Last 90 days. Just on Shopify, we've done 1.36 million. Over half of our orders and customers coming back are repeat people. They're mostly on subscriptions. Like, that's awesome. And so I can pull reports, I can find ways to improve this with AI, and we have completely transitioned from using ChatGPT over to Manus for 95% of the daily workflow. And like I mentioned, if you're interested in me doing a more in-depth video on OpenClaw, this is running on a separate Mac Mini on a different computer. It's doing a lot of crazy different stuff. I'll work on putting a video together if you guys would want to see something like that. But Manus, this is the most tangible step one. You're a beginner, you're getting into your business, or you have something that's running and you want to improve simple systems and learn AI. I would 100% get Manus. You can connect it into your ad account on Meta, and you can start playing around with reports and having it do stuff for you. I hope you found this video valuable. Obviously, we could sit here and talk about AI for 6 hours, and maybe one day we will, but I got to get back to work, and thankfully AI is helping me a ton with that. So we're going to be doing our best to grow this brand from around $1 million a month mark across all platforms up to a couple million a month this year. And I can tell you right now, AI will play a crucial role in doing so. So pretty awesome. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd appreciate if you drop a like on the video. I'll put all the resources down below in the description. Check those out. I'll see you in the next one.